Okay, so this is the project assignment network, project assignment number 4 for CS50, Harvard X. Let's jump into the demonstration. First thing is new post. Let's log in over here. I'm gonna log in C. I got just a C and a C here. It logs me into this. And it takes us to the home page, which is a post page. Another case of the Mondays, because it's Mondays over here. I'm gonna click post. Boom, we've got a post. We're moving into our profile and we see it's another case of the Mondays has been posted successfully. Now, you have the option to do the new post box that we noticed in all posts, but I separated it, and per instructions, you can do it either way. All right, next feature, all post. All post link in navigation over here should take a user to a page where they can see all posts from the users. So if we click on all posts, take a look. We're seeing all the posts from the users. Now you just see mine, but if I scroll to next, you're gonna see, because I made so many posts, the other users are coming here. All right, wonderful. And notice how the most recent post that I just did posted here, and we can see on the time zone by date that we're moving in that direction, reverse chronological order. So notice how we've got the date and time of the post. There's the user right here. It's just C for me, but if I click on C, we go to the profile, and then we see the number of likes. And for things that we haven't liked, we see we have 0 likes. All right, next feature, the profile page. So if we click on our username over here, we go to the profile page. So we need to see the number of people we're following. So we're following one person is following us. Here's all the posts that I've posted so far in reverse chronological order, with another case of the Mondays popping up first. Now, if we go to another user and I click on his profile, this isn't us, we have the option to follow and unfollow. So I can follow and unfollow that user, that button appears. But we're not able, of course, to follow ourselves. Okay, next feature, following. All right, following link. So if we click on following, we need to see all the posts of the users we're following. And we're only following B, so we can see all of B's posts, and when they posted it, we can like and dislike those posts that we're following by B. So it behaves just like the all the post page does, but it has more limited amount. And if we log out, notice how following is gone. It wouldn't make sense. Who are you going to follow if you don't have an account? So we're going to log back in, and we see that we have the following comes back. All right, pagination. Let's take a look at the pagination feature. So if we click on all posts and we scroll down, we see that we have page 1 to 3 next. So we've got this pagination set up, and we only go up to 10 posts, and we can click next. And next, we see previous and next. Wonderful, and we can go back to the first. And this happens to only the pages where we have more than 10. So this is less than 10. And if we go back to our profile page, we're gonna see it again, and we see that it is working. Always good to see when things work on a Monday. Next feature, and we're getting there now. The edit post. Love this one, classic edit post, to do it in real time. You want this to happen with JavaScript by fetching, because you want to do it in real time on the page. And so you want to save without reloading the entire page. Let's give this a whirl. So it's another case of the Mondays. We're going to edit this post to for Harvard X. I'm loving it. All right, smiley face. Okay, hopefully it gives a brownie point. So if we click save, we see the update happens. We go to all posts as well. So this is the latest post here. Doing our video demo, it also gets updated there. We know this is happening properly with our models and our database, and we did not have to reload. Wonderful, wonderful. All right, finally, the final feature, very key feature, Zuck's claim to fame, among others, like and unlike. So like and unlike. And again, this has to be asynchronous to let the server know to update the like count, with fetch, then update the post like count without requiring a reload, because again, that would be ridiculous to reload the page every time. So we're going to unlike and like. This is working. Like and unlike. Now you see how this has 2 likes. We could demonstrate more features to see who's liking it, but we have B liking the post or somebody else liking our post here. And again, this is working. You know, if I like this post here doing our video demo and we go to all posts, we see that when we load this page doing our demo is here. We can unlike it and like it. I hope you enjoyed this video demo and you're having an okay Monday or whatever day it is. Hopefully not Monday, closer to Friday. Hopefully not the weekend. But really enjoyed this. I'm excited to do the final project. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.